Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to automate your social media posts using n8n. Instead of posting manually every day, we are going to plan everything in Google Sheets. Each row here represents a post with a specific date, content, and status. This becomes your master content calendar. Now let's start. First, we use a schedule trigger. This workflow runs automatically every single day at 7 a.m. Then we read all the posts from Google Sheets using the Get Rows node. Now all our scheduled content is inside n8n and ready to go, but we don't want to publish everything at once, only what is scheduled for today. And here we filter the data using an if node. We check two things. First, the date must match today's date, and second, the status must be pending. This ensures that only the correct post moves forward in the workflow. And now we are ready to publish. In a real-world scenario, we would use the LinkedIn API through an HTTP request to send our content. Here I'm simulating the publishing step, but in production, this node will post directly to your social media feed using the data pulled from our sheets. Once the post is live, we need to update our records. We use the update row node. To go back to Google Sheets, we change the status to published and automatically at the exact publication date. This helps us track our history and prevents us from posting the same thing twice. And to make this even more powerful, we can integrate ChatGPT by adding an OpenAI node. We can automatically rewrite post ideas or generate hashtags to optimize engagements before we hit publish. It turns a simple automation into a fully intelligent content system. Now let's test it. I will execute the workflow. Watch the Google Sheet. You can see the status here instantly flip from pending to publish with the date added successfully. Everything is running perfectly. So there you have it. Plan once and let n8n handle the rest. Remember the flow: schedule, filter, publish, and update. Thank you for watching.